So we're in chapter 404, controlling section visibility, and we are now going to pull everything together. We've got some scenes set up, I've got a style, and I've got some section planes put into my model. This is the active section cut. So if I wanted my normal scene to represent the geometry like this, then I'm fine with that. I can just right click on this and update just in case. But for my cut view, I want now to show the section cut. So what I would need to do is turn on the section cut to display that. And then as I right click to update my scene, I get this warning sign saying you are creating and updating a scene and have not saved the changes you've made to the style. So I'll cancel that. I will update my style and I can then go onto my planes. And I'll show the planes and I'll turn off the section cuts and I'll try to right click and update that, and I get the same warning. So I cancel that, update my style, and now I've got this looking the way I want it. So I just go back through these to see whether they're all working out for me, and they're not. The reason they're not is because I've only got one style which has been updated to represent the planes running these three scenes. So if I wanted the normal to look like that, I can't update it because then it's going to stop me showing the planes. If I want the cut to look like this, I can't update that because that's going to override that or that. So what I need to do is quite logically make three different styles with different settings to control the scenes. So I'm going to right click, make a copy of that, right click, make a copy of this. And then I'm going to go back to my normal and I'm going to turn off the planes, update the scene, and this is going to be my hidden line or normal style. And then I'll update normal. So that's fine. I then go to my cut scene and I want to choose this one, and I'll change this to hidden line cut, and I will click on this to update it. I'll then just untick and tick this so I'm showing the cut, and I'll just make sure that's ticked again to make sure I set the style changes. So now hidden line cut looks like this, hidden line looks like that. Right click on my cut scene and update for good measure. The third one, which is planes, I'll want this one to call planes, and I'll just click on this box to update it. And this one is just going to show me which planes are which. And I'll just right click and update that. So now I've got three different scenes, all showing three different styles. Now the reason I've got urban planning and photo match in are if, for example, I wanted my urban planning to come in and I just wanted the look of the urban planning style to change. And I went down to in model and I went to default styles and this one urban planning style. What the urban planning style does by default, and most of the styles do by default, is show this display section cuts. So if I was in layout, and this is the model, which is linked back to the SketchUp model. So I go back to SketchUp for a second and I'll go back to my normal and I'll save this, and then I'll come back into layout and I'll right click and update model reference. And then under my scenes, I've got normal, cut, planes, and urban planning. My normal looks like this. My cut is going to look like that. My planes are going to look like this. And my urban planning is currently looking like this because the urban planning scene hasn't had the urban planning style assigned to it. So if I decided to apply the urban planning style in layout, and I went to styles and I clicked on urban planning style, I get this look, which is showing the section cut, because by default, some of the styles show section cuts and planes, and some of them show just a section cut. Now, urban planning is a style that shows just a section cut. If I decided to go to my photo match, which is going to go back to our hidden line style, then I go back to styles and click on this, styles, go down to photo match or photo modeling, then choose this one, photo modeling style. This one is going to show me the section planes and the section cut. And there's no way that I can control the way that this looks inside of Layout. So I have to do all that inside of SketchUp. So I'll just go back to SketchUp and I'll go to my in model styles and I'll load up photo modeling and I'll choose this one, photo modeling style. So now I've got 1, 2, 3 and photo modeling and urban planning styles in my in model styles. And now I'm going to apply the look that I want based on these styles with the correct section plane configuration. So for urban planning, I'm going to apply this style, but I'm going to turn off that and update this, and then right click, update my scene. And for photo match, I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to turn that off and that off, update the style, right click, update the scene. So now I've got normal, cut, planes, urban planning, photo match. So I just need to save this and then go into layout, right click, update model reference. And what you'll then find is in this view, I've got the scenes which all now correspond to the new style. So photo match is looking like that. Urban planning is looking like that. We've got the planes which show the planes, the cut which shows the cut, and normal which shows neither cut nor plane. What I've also got are the styles which now correspond to the ones that have been modified within SketchUp. So that in a nutshell is that. We are linking our scenes with our styles and the styles are holding this information. In the next video in this chapter, we'll be linking scenes and active section planes to animate section cuts between different aspects of the model.